Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. I'm Dave and we're working on making up some candy apple red, and we're going to use the Intercoat color blender, and then we're going to use reducer, and then we have the House of Color KK11, and we will use that to tint the color blender to give us the color that we want. With candy apple you have to do multiple coats, so we're going to mix this ourselves. Again, I'm going to like I did with the base coat. If you haven't seen that base coat video, I'll try to link that in up at the corner. And anyhow, this is what we have. We have the Intercoat color blender SMR 3500, and we have medium SMR 870 urethane reducer. It's medium, and it's a 1-to-1 mix. So you have 1-to-1, and I will give you on the last video I did on the base coat, I showed you the back of the can, but it is 1-to-1. And this is a technique that I did not learn myself. It's from a gentleman named Ron Drake, who painted his gasser. It was I believe it was a Falcon gasser with this method, and so he used this color blender and as the Intercoat and the reducer and the KK111. So I'm basically doing the same thing that Ron did. I thought that it was a good method. The guy at Intercoat sold me the product, and he agreed with me that it would work. So this is what I'm going to do. So let's go. Well guys, I got it all poured out and measured it out. On the left here we have 475 milliliters of SMR 3500. On the right we have 475 milliliters of reducer. And in the middle here we have 1 ounce of House of Color HK or KK11. Now you see the bottle says HOK KK11-2Z. The 2Z stands for the 2-ounce bottle. So I actually have another 8-ounce can, but I'm using this 2-ounce bottle. So this is the original. This is not the shimmering. It's the KK11. So if you're going to order the candy apple red, it's KK11, and you need the original formula. And so now we take these and mix them together, and this will give us 33 ounces of sprayable material. And so this is to make the candy apple red. As you can see, it says apple red candy. So here we go. Okay guys, here we go. We got our 1 ounce of red candy apple red tint KK11 going in. We're stirring and we're stirring. Look how dark that went right away, right? So mix it up. Nice dark. Look how dark that is. Oh, it's going to look luscious on the car. Alright, so we got it mixed in with our color blender. Okay. I'm going to do scrape that off there like that. I'll set that to the side. Alright. We have our can, and I'm going to pour it into the can. So the SMR 3500 with the tint in it is going in the can. All right. And like I did last time, to make sure I get it, I'm actually going to rinse the cup I got here with a little bit of reducer. That way we get a little bit of color there. And then we're gonna pour the reducer into there, and we'll go from there. So, all right. I'm gonna stir the reducer around in the cup. Just try to get all the colorant as I can mixed in. Looks like a popsicle stick. All right, and we'll pour that in. Well, that can's full right to the brim. 32 ounces of sprayable candy apple red. Give her a little bit of a stir. Wipe up what I got here on the trunk. Glad it's just primer. There we go. Does that look good, guys? Have a good one. Take it easy. If you like the tips of this, like and subscribe. Thank you.